Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a shipping rate in Stripe. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in into your account with your correct credentials. Once you are on this page, you just need to go to the left menu, select product catalog. After that, all you need to do, go to the fourth tab, which is shipping rates. As you can see here, you'll get redirected to this page. You need to select create shipping rate. Now this window will pop up. You need to select the amount of the shipping rate. After that, you must select the currency, switch it to dollars if you want. You can add multiple currencies and shipping rates to be more flexible. You can set the description or leave it empty as you want. The next step is to set an estimated shipping time, which is how much the product will be delivered between what and what. For example, of minimum of 3 days to like 14 days. You can of course switch the variables from here if you want in hours, days, weeks, months. I usually set as business days to be more professional. After that, select save, and as you can see here, it is created successfully. So if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.